Well, welcome back. I've made a lot of progress on this. I've got the Dutchman's panel installed. Well, also got both sail panels repaired. Of course, I had the Dutchman's panel out to repair the sail panels. I also have this piece right here that I replaced that I got from AMD. It goes all the way down into there. I also got the tail panel. That'll be the next project. This one's kind of a mess. It was kind of combination of two different cars, of using this pieces off the original car and a parts car. They didn't have this back in the 90s, early 90s to fix, so kind of used what he had. And then probably start working on this quarter. Kind of work and then go back over to this one. That's at least the plan, or finish off the trunk floor. I gotta vacuum out all the metal filings in there. That's all from cutting and grinding it for the on the sail panels here. I put some like a Rust-Oleum rust converter primer on it just for now, so it's not sitting there in bare metal. Stuff seems to be pretty tough. That's what I actually sprayed on the rear deck panel that is underneath the Dutchman's panel here. This is what they call a Dutchman's panel. Don't ask me where they get that name from, but that's what they call it. But yeah, I'm happy how it turned out so far. Well, I have a video on here too of welding in the Dutchman's panel, which was like 45 minutes long. If you want to, I might download that one too. I'm not sure if might take a while, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.